Hi, my name is Manny. I am born and raised in Ogden, Utah, but my family is from Michoacan, Mexico, in a small town called San Martin. And today we'll be cooking Sopa De Fideo. It is a soup dish that is made popular in Mexico by many families. It's very easy, very cheap as well to make, and it's something that I kind of grew up with. We have vermicelli pasta, but you can also use this recipe with any different kinds of pastas. Today, we're gonna just do the vermicelli and we'll just leave these other pastas to the side. We'll start with heating up the pot. You kind of just wanna heat it up, just so medium heat, just to get the pot going. So we have our oil right here with the pasta. What you wanna do is you wanna put the oil in first, and then once the oil is hot enough, then go ahead and put in the pasta. And you just want enough to be able to kind of just coat the bottom of the pan. You don't want too much in there. You're not necessarily trying to soak the pasta in there. You just want it to be able to cook. So just go ahead and put the entire bag in here. And then once you have the bag in there, kind of, move it around. And what your main goal here is to get the pasta to be kind of like a golden brown. In the meantime, what you want to do is you want to get your ingredients. So for just one bag, which is about 7 ounces of this, you just want a medium-sized tomato, around like a medium-sized onion as well, and then just one garlic clove. Just want to go ahead and cut the tomato in 4s. And then for the onion, we only need about half of it. And then for this one, we'll also cut it in 4s as well. And then for the garlic clove, same thing, just in little pieces. And then after that, you want to go ahead and open up your blender and then just drop the pieces in there as well. After you have everything in your blender, we're probably just going to use about 20 ounces of water. Now we're going to go ahead and put this on the blender so that way it can blend. All right, and that's perfect. Just go ahead and take that off. We'll go over here. Again, stir your pasta. And that's basically where you kind of want it to be at. You cook it any more and it's gonna start burning, so we'll just go ahead and put in our little juice that we have going on here. We'll go ahead and put the entire thing in. After you do that, we're gonna go ahead and fill this up with more water, probably to about, we'll say like 48 ounces of water, maybe a little bit more. Just go ahead and fill all that up. Now, we'll go ahead and put in our chicken flavored bouillon. You can just go ahead and drop that in there. Like I said before, it's about a tablespoon if you don't have the actual cube, or if you have the cube, then it's just 1. We also have our salt right here. The salt will also depend on how much you would like, so just salt to your liking. After you do all that, just go ahead and give it another little stir, making sure that that cube dissolves in the water. And after you stir all that up, just gonna go ahead and turn it up, and you wanna bring it to a boil. So now that we have it boiling, just wanna go ahead and bring it all the way down to a simmer. And once you see that's ready to simmer, just want to go ahead and grab your lid, put it on top, wait for it to cook a little bit more, and then once that pasta is softened up, then the dish should be good to go. So now that it's all done simmering, it's good to go. It should look something like this. We're just gonna go ahead and try it. And that's really good. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys can adopt this recipe and use it for yourselves. It's a big part of my culture and something that we use very often, so hope you guys enjoy.